Hello everyone, how is your day so far? This is my day.
Darling, this is your point of view, but the reality is much different. This is my day.
Welcome in the Lamborghini Pavilion. We are here to present the new member of the Huracán family. It's a new evolution of a Huracán. This is really a unique masterpiece of a car that is already more than 5 years on the road. Lamborghini is not only this. Our brand started with the V12, that is the Aventador. We are here together to launch the SVJ Roadster. Fantastic color, fantastic line. We are designer of experience. We want all the people that are coming with Lamborghini have a unique taste of what we represent. Thank you very much and enjoy together here in Geneva what is Lamborghini of today.